Hello guys, welcome back, konnichiwa, herzlich willkommen. So guys, update on SoFi. We are ripping guys, we are still ripping here. So I give you now an update here based on the chart. If you didn't see my previous videos guys, check them out. As you know, the main purpose is to educate you in trading. So we will dive here into the chart and chart patterns for SoFi, which can help us here to predict an incoming squeeze. As you know, this is not financial advice. I give you here my opinion based on the chart. Yeah guys, we're riding here back over $10. That is very, very good. Not yet. We broke the price level here of $11.73. That's what I say we want to see. We want to see that SoFi starts to build here higher highs. Yeah, this is what I want to see. That means we have to see a price over $11.70. Also, what you can see right now, before I enable here my drawings, that this was the initial price here, or at least the price level where SoFi dropped before we had here this very, very nice squeeze back to $28, which was the all-time high. TradingView, come back to me. And yeah, this is what we want to see, of course. We are now here at the make it or break it price level or decision price level where we really could see a potential squeeze for SoFi incoming, at least when TradingView comes back to me, that I can show you here the chart patterns, guys. The good thing is, yeah, that we started to gap up here a little bit and we come back to the top of the trend channel. So I will show you here my drawings right now. So here we go. Thank you, TradingView. So, and this is where we are, guys. We are not yet out of the danger zone, but what is very, very good, that we now back over $10.08, because this is, in my opinion, the blue line here in the chart is the main resistance for SoFi. So be very careful, guys. Yeah, that doesn't mean that SoFi cannot go over this price level, but every time when SoFi tried to break this price level, we had a huge sell-off reaction every time. With every attempt, you can see that never lasted long, and we are of course completely overbought here on the technicals. That's why I said I expect, or what is the potential scenario now is that we come back here to this price level, because we have two resistance levels here right now in the chart. The blue trend line at $10.08 first. This is what the market makers try to do. They will try to bring the price back below $10.08. And second, guys, is this trend channel pattern here. So we have this trend channel pattern in the chart. I can make that a little bit more visible here for a second, guys. This white trend channel pattern is, yeah, controlling the price for SoFi. So if you think this is done by human or by any kind of news, guys, believe what you want to believe. Yeah, my only purpose here is to educate you in trading, and that's why I can just tell you, no matter what the news are saying, a lot of price actions are predictable just by using chart techniques here. And that's where we are, guys. Yeah, we're trading now here outside of this trend channel pattern, so we crushed out of this trend channel range and even over $10.08. So that is possible that we see now here something like a squeeze incoming. Check out my video on drug, guys. I also released a video here on that ticker. The ticker squeezed yesterday more than 6,000%. And when you have squeezes like that in the market, these are usually hidden hints that some short squeezes will happen now very, very soon. Of course, the technical situation here for SoFi is, guys, that we are not in favor for a squeeze. So you can see we had the same constellation here. We had a completely oversold RSI here, and still SoFi squeezed higher. That is possible, but normally when you have these kind of overheated constellation in the market, the reaction is a huge sell-off, or the the response to that is a huge sell-off, guys. We lost here minus 44%. Of course, we recovered then. That doesn't mean that we are not bullish in the long term. I just try to show you what happens usually in the market when the market is overheated. And this is also what we had here, guys. Also a massive pump here. You can see here from $6, we came back to $8. Very nice pump. And then this massive sell-off kicked in, because when the market makers decide to sell their positions and go short, guys, then hell will be unleashed. And then you can have very, very quick a minus number in your portfolio. Even here in that case, if you catch the peak, you have temporary here minus 45%, and nobody wants that. I already told you here the price levels to the downside. We have some secret signals here in the chart. The price started to gap up here, so let me show you that really quick one more time. So we have now here an open gap at $9.07, and you can see the open gaps here at $7.86 here, the orange line, and $7.51, guys. Also, we're trading now here with this price action far above the EMA lines here. You can see the EMA line is waiting here at $8.76. So boom, we just gapped up here and left the EMA line. So be careful, guys. I know that is always exciting when a stock moves like that, but when you see straight lines to the upside, guys, usually the response for that are straight lines to the downside. You can see exactly the same, guys. Here, gap up for SoFi, yeah, boom, boom, boom. We crushed higher, closed this open gap, and then boom, the sell-off started to kick in. We don't want that. And as I said, it doesn't mean that we cannot squeeze now. It is possible that we squeeze from now on, but let's say that the technical situation for a squeeze is not perfect. We are here in an uptrend, no matter, guys, or no doubt that we are here in strong uptrend for SoFi, as long as we don't leave this trend channel pattern here to the downside, and that would mean by today the lowest possible price is $7.06. And in my opinion, still everything over $6.48 is very bullish here and would be a very great dip, but that doesn't mean that we can break this bullish trend and go lower, especially when the market decides to turn bearish. I expect that we see some short squeezes happening right now, and then maybe in the beginning of next year, January, February, I think a really, really big market correction should be coming, if not before. But for now, it looks like that the market decided to squeeze. And also September was not bearish at all, which is usually a very, very bearish month. So this is what I expect here for SoFi, guys. Yeah. As you know, guys, I have a lot of short squeeze stocks here in my pocket. Of course, I want to educate you in trading, guys. This is my main purpose. This is why I show you here all the drawings in the charts, not only for SoFi, also for many, many other tickers. But also I try to predict short squeezes here, and I upload every Sunday my so-called hot stocks. So these videos here contain tickers with high squeeze potential, and I always try to predict squeezes here. So when you see these videos, tickers from these videos, I expect them to squeeze in the very, very next few days. Yeah, not in 2 months, not in 5 weeks. No, I expect them to squeeze in the very next days. And we had, of course, one hot stock short squeeze last week. This one here, the date of the video release was Sunday here, guys, the yellow line. And you can see this ticker started to squeeze 270% in just 2 days here after my video release. And the next one, same, guys, the week before was this one here. I also released my video on Sunday. Same here, guys, trend channel pattern, green liquidity zone. Yeah, I always try to catch the lowest possible prices. Please, guys, never FOMO in. This is so dangerous, yeah. And then you can see this ticker also squeezed 236%. So if you also want to see these kind of short squeeze plays besides SoFi, you can of course join in here our trading community. The most popular membership which I have is the full package membership on Patreon. We're growing here very quick, and we're growing every day, guys. We get every day new members here. If you also want to join in, the links to the memberships are in the video description. You can see the benefits which you get, and also the trading alerts are very popular because these are screenshots here from high potential short squeeze tickers with all the price level information. Very, very easy to read, and also very convenient for beginners and advanced traders, guys. The links to my memberships are here in the video description. Yeah, guys, make it or break it for SoFi. This is how I see it. Yeah, when we can stay over $10.08, that could be bullish, yeah, that should be bullish, but we want to see a green candle body like this, a full green candle body. You can see when we had the last time here the constellation, this is not a full green candle body over this price range, guys. We want to see a full candle body here. We already made a decision candle, and then boom, sayonara. The market maker stepped in and brought the price below this here. And also we had this gap up, guys. So the purpose was to close this gap, and the market makers did that very, very successfully. But we have one open gap, guys. So if we can see a squeeze, then a price action from more than 100% is possible. I don't want to hype you up. This is very dangerous here to buy in at these price level based on today, guys. Yeah, of course, later when we have an accumulation and go just higher, this is not stupid, but for now it is very dangerous. And you can see that we have one open gap, one open business here in the chart at $22.75. So a complete price action here just based on the algos. I don't talk about here a massive short squeeze. This is an algo squeeze combined with some short cover process here. 126 guys percent are possible based on the actual price. But my honest opinion, I would not FOMO in here. When we have a confirmation here of this breakout, then it could be a good way to open some positions, but I never do that, guys. I wait here for the drama. I wait for the complete oversold situations, bottom of the trend channel, very oversold RSI. I want to see the price levels here get touched, which acted as a resistance, that they are our support, and so on, guys. Yeah, but this is the chance that we have right now here for SoFi as well. Guys, if you like this content, if you don't want to miss any updates here on SoFi or my other short squeeze stocks, please hit the like and subscribe button right now. I thank you so much for your time. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Arigatou gozaimasu, vielen Dank, alles Gute beim Traden und bis zum nächsten SoFi Video. Take care. Bye bye, guys.